Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to Connect Your Technical Insight. I am Rahul Randeria and I would be conducting today's show. Today, we would be discussing regarding the trends, the setup, the technical indicators, the charts on Nifty, Bank Nifty, and other different asset classes. First of all, let us discuss what we have mentioned in our last video. In our last week video, we have mentioned that Nifty might be behaving or might be trading highly volatile to choppy with an upward bias. Any dip should be used as a buying opportunity. Initially, Nifty didn't see any weakness. It opened with a positive gap and traded positively throughout the week. But for the whole week, what we have seen, there are highly wide swings coming into the market as what we have been expecting. It was highly choppy sessions, but at the end of the week, it ended on a slight to positive note and with a positive bias. Now let us discuss the index analysis. In index analysis, we will discuss and see what we have observed on the Nifty daily charts, and we will try to explain what might happen in next week. Now, the Nifty daily charts you will see on the screen. What we have been mentioning in the last couple of months. The Nifty has been moving into an upward rising channel, making higher tops, higher bottoms, and it has maintained in that particular trend throughout the 3 months. Last week, for the first time, we have seen that it has just slightly ended below that particular support line, but again, it entered in that particular upward rising channel, making higher tops, higher bottoms on the hourly charts. And you can clearly see that Nifty had tried to manage the lower support trend line, and it has ended above those lines in a comfortable zone. Now, looking at the price volume action, upward rising channel, then RSI also is into a comfortable zone. Looking at this pattern, we feel that for the next week also Nifty would remain in the positive bias. Any dips should be used as a buying opportunity. Now, let us discuss the important supports and resistance in the Nifty. The important support in the Nifty are placed that you will clearly see that looking at the patterns, the important first support in the Nifty is placed at 17,773. Then next support, the second support is placed at 17,581, and third support is placed at 17,452. Whereas on the upside, the first resistance is placed at, you will see on the screen, 17,967 is the first resistance. Second resistance is at 18,126, and third resistance is placed at 18,308. These are the important supports and resistance in the Nifty. Now let us discuss what we have observed in Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty on the daily charts, you will see again it has been moving into an upward rising channel since May 2021, making higher tops, higher bottoms. But in the last 2 months, what we have observed that throughout an upward rising channel, there has been a particular dotted line uh, where below that dotted line, the last 2 months, the Bank Nifty has been moving into that particular dotted line channel. And currently, it is just placed near those levels into a comfort zone, or we can say the midway. But if you see the last 4 to 5 trading session, Bank Nifty has been moving into a broad range, consolidating in this particular range. RSI is also into a comfort level. Now, looking at this overall chart from May till date, the upside target for the Bank Nifty, I mean to say the upside potential target of next couple of months in Bank Nifty is being seen around 40,000 to 40,500, which is again coming to the upward resistance line of this particular rising channel. So definitely looking at this pattern, the trend, the view would be buy on dips in Bank Nifty also. So now let us discuss the important supports and resistance in Bank Nifty. The first support in the Bank Nifty is placed that you will see on the screen. 37,337 is the first support. The second support in the Bank Nifty is placed at 36,876, and third support is placed at 36,525. Whereas on the upside, the first resistance is placed at You will see on the screen. 38,108 is the first resistance. The second resistance is at 38,377, and third resistance is at 38,768. So these are the supports and resistance in Bank Nifty. So the overall view in the Nifty and Bank Nifty is buy on dips. Any corrections should be used as a buying opportunity for the next week. Now let us come to the third segment, which is option analysis. In here, in the index option analysis, we will try to analyze, the rise in the open interest in the calls and puts in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let us first discuss what we have observed in Nifty. In Nifty, we have observed that the action was seen in Nifty out of the money calls of 18,000. Then next action was seen is 18,100 and 18,200. These are the options out of the money calls where we have seen that there has been a significant rise in the open interest. Again, the IVs are placed into a comfort zone, which clearly indicates that there has been a strength or building up of the position, a long position in Nifty out of the money calls. In the percentage change, also we have seen there has been a positive side in the percentage change. So, which clearly indicates that the smart money is entering into Nifty open Nifty out of the money calls in 18,000, 18,100 and 18,200. Now let us discuss what we have observed in Nifty puts. In Nifty puts, the action was seen in 17,800 put, then 17,700 put, and 17,600 put. Again, here you can clearly see that there has been a rise in the open interest. The IVs are into comfort zone, but looking at the percentage change, we have seen that there might be some sort of writing in Nifty puts. I mean to say, there might be a writing in 17,700 to 17,600 Nifty out of the money puts. So most probably 17,600 could act as a support in Nifty puts. So again, any correction would bring in support at the lower levels. So again, the strategy would be buy on dips in Nifty. Now let us discuss what we have observed in Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, we have observed that the action was seen in 38,000 out of the money calls, then 38,200 out of the money calls, and 38,500 out of the money calls. Again, here you can clearly see that there has been a rise in the open interest along with slightly rising implied volatility, but there has been a significant damage seen into the option premiums. I mean to say Bank Nifty after the money option. So that clearly is indicating that 38,500 could act as a major resistance in Bank Nifty. So any correction in Bank Nifty might bring in support, whereas on the upside again 38,500 Bank Nifty might act as a major resistance. Now in Bank Nifty put, we have seen that the action was seen in 37,500 out of the money puts, then 37,200 out of the money puts, and 37,000 out of the money puts. Here also you can clearly see that there has been a rise in the open interest along with the IB's implied volatility are also rising, and there has been a significant price damage in the option premium. You can clearly see that clearly indicates that 37,000 could act as a strong support in Bank Nifty also. So overall, looking at the price pattern, the charts in Nifty and Bank Nifty, the open interest in Nifty calls and puts and Bank Nifty calls and puts is clearly indicating that any weakness should be used as an opportunity to enter long at the lower levels in Nifty and Bank Nifty for the next week. Now let us come to the fourth segment. I have identified one commodity on the International Commodity Exchange. The commodity is sugar. You can clearly see on the screen. You will see on the screen that the raw sugar on the International Commodity Price Exchange has been moving in an upward trajectory, upward moving channel, making higher tops, higher bottoms. and it is into a positive trend. Currently, the raw sugar is quoting at 19.70 dollars. The upside potential is the upward resistance line, which is almost coming around $23 to $24. So in this context, we feel that for the next 2 to 3 months or 4 months, the sugar stock are looking good from these levels. So swing traders or short-term investors can buy the sugar stock, most probably Rampur Sugar, Balrampur Chini, Triveni Engineering, and Out Sugar. These are the stocks which are looking promising from short-term investment perspective. Maybe looking at this raw sugar charts, uh, in that context, we feel that these particular sugar stocks in India might give 10 to 15% return from these levels. The swing traders and short-term investors can buy these particular stocks for an upside target of 10 to 15% return from the current levels. So now let us come to the final segment of our show, which is positional call. I've identified one stock from IT sector. The stock is Infosys. The stock has been moving in a positive trend, and currently it is consolidating in a rectangular congestion range. The price volume action is showing strength. RSI is into comfort zone. The volumes is also rising. The price is also rising. The stock is on the verge of a congestion breakout. Definitely, in next couple of days, we will see the result coming in Infosys. But looking at this, the stock has already indicating that the trend is positive. So the action would be, the view is buy and dips in the stock. Current market price of the stock is 1723. So the short-term traders, position traders, investors, or those who want to invest for next 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, can accumulate the stock in the range of 1723 and on corrections to 1700 for a target of 1900 for an investment horizon of next 2 to 3 months. So Infosys is looking positive. Swing traders, short-term investor can accumulate the stock for an investment target of 1900 from the current levels. So let us conclude the show. Thank you very much for watching the video. Any suggestion you can give into comment box, and have a nice trading week. Thank you.